This M&S recipe for giant cheesy leek and cauliflower vol au vents takes a classic canapé and makes it a meal. Take a sheet of M&S all butter puff pastry and cut it into 3 strips widthways. Lay them on top of each other, then take an 11cm cutter and cut out 2 circles. Then do the same with the second sheet of pastry. Move them onto a baking tray. Use an 8cm cutter to press down halfway in the center of each circle. Then pierce the middles with a fork. Brush them well with beaten egg and sprinkle a little salt. Then pop them in the oven until they've risen and turned a deep golden brown. While they're cooking, fry off some thickly sliced leeks in olive oil and butter. Then add some thyme, cauliflower and chicken stock. After 5 minutes, stir in your M&S garlic and herb soft cheese, grated Lancashire cheese and season to taste. Remove the vol au vents from the oven and leave them to cool slightly. Push the middle bit of pastry down with the back of a spoon, then add in the warm filling and sprinkle with chives and serve. I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from M&S, so stay tuned for more tasty ideas.